Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain about analytical exposition. What is analytical exposition? Analytical exposition is a kind of text that elaborates the writer's idea about the phenomenon surrounding. The social function of analytical exposition is to persuade the reader that the idea is important matter and to analyze the topic that the thesis or opinion is correct by developing an argument to support it. We can find analytical exposition in scientific article, journal, magazine, and editorial. The purpose of analytical exposition is to persuade the reader that the issue is an important matter and to convince the reader that gain attention by way of providing arguments or opinions that support the main idea. The generic structure of analytical exposition: first, there are thesis. Thesis is introducing the topic and the writer's main of view. Next, there's argument. Argument is explaining the argument to support the writer's position. And last, there is reiteration. Reiteration is restating the writer's point of view to strengthen the thesis. The language feature of analytical exposition. Language exposition is using simple present, using extension of stating opinion, using connectives, using past voice, and using conjunction. Okay, that's it for analytical exposition. Next, I will talk about narrative text. Okay, next I will explain the narrative text. So what is narrative text? Narrative text is a kind of text that retell the imaginative or factual story. The kind of genre in narrative text, there are fable, myths, legend, folk tales, fairy tales, love story, science fiction, horror, history, slice of life, and personal opinion. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain the reader, to amuse the reader, to teach moral value, and to change social opinion. The generic structure of narrative text: first, there is orientation. It was sets the scene and introduces the characters of the story. Next, there are complication. Complication tells the problems and how the main characters solve them. And last, there's resolution. Resolution is when the crisis is resolved and shows the end of the story. In addition, there are other generic structure. The first is evaluation. Evaluation is the stepping back to evaluate the story or the moral value. Next, there is coda. Coda is changes of the character of lessons or value in the story. And last, there is reorientation, is the ending of the story. And last, the language feature of narrative text is using of observe of time, specific characters are not general, use direct speeches, use of adjectives, use of time connectives and conjunction, use of past tense, use of action verbs, and use of saying and thinking verbs. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.